How to add or redeem iTunes or Apple gift card on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on a device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, scroll down and select the Redeem Gift Card or Code option you see there. You might be required to sign in with your Apple ID. Now, choose how you want to enter the code that you have. You have two options. First, to use your camera. Tap Use Camera and hold your gift card up to your iPhone's camera to automatically scan the code. Option 2, enter your code manually. Tap Enter Code Manually option and then type the 16-digit code and tap on Redeem. Now confirm the redemption. Once the code is verified, your balance will be updated or the content associated with the card will be applied. Tap on Done to finish the redemption process. Your gift card balance is now available for purchase in the App Store, iTunes Store, or Apple Books. You can also use it for subscriptions like Apple Music or iCloud. So, this is how you can add or redeem iTunes or Apple gift card on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next one.